A chip built for games is now Earth's most valuable hardware. The whole story, fast, in order. This chip was never designed for AI. It was built to draw triangles, fast, so your games wouldn't stutter. Then a happy accident turned it into the brain behind every large AI model on the planet. The reason why is stranger than it sounds. Start with the job it was made for. Rendering 3D graphics means doing millions of tiny, identical math problems at once. Every pixel, every frame. A CPU has a few powerful cores built to do complex tasks one after another. A GPU took the opposite bet, and that bet was about to break loose from gaming into somewhere nobody saw coming. A GPU packs thousands of simple cores that all crunch small sums simultaneously. For gaming, that's how you paint a whole screen in a blink. It's dumb, brute force parallel math. No clever tricks, just doing everything all at once. Useless for most computing. Perfect for one specific thing nobody planned for. That thing was neural networks. Training an AI model is just millions of tiny multiplications and additions, over and over. The exact parallel math GPUs already did for pixels. Researchers realized the gaming chip was accidentally the ideal AI engine. No redesign needed. The hardware for gaming explosions was the hardware for intelligence. Then the money exploded. Look at NVIDIA's data center revenue, the AI chips, quarter by quarter, $39 billion, then 62, then 75.2 billion, all in a single quarter, up 92% in a year. That's not growth. That's a blazing hot gold rush. In July 2025, NVIDIA briefly became the first company ever worth $4 trillion. Data center AI is now about 90% of its revenue. Gaming, its original purpose, made $3.8 billion one quarter, while AI made $39.1 billion. But the real drama isn't the money. It's who can't get in and why. Here's the thing. The bottleneck for AI isn't ideas or talent anymore. It's chips, and access is now rationed by governments. US export controls forced NVIDIA to eat a $4.5 billion charge on unsellable China inventory, then drop to zero data center chip sales to China. This is the one that actually reshapes the future. Zoom out. Jensen Huang calls this the build-out of AI factories, the largest infrastructure expansion in human history, which means whoever gets the chips gets to build the intelligence. A design meant to draw triangles now decides which companies and which countries get a seat at the table. If this made the machinery behind AI click into place, subscribe. We cut the noise and build what matters.